perfect.
Can you see?
Alright, roll it. It's Jason, True Most Fitness. Getting that breakfast, man. About to give me some rice pudding and cranberry. I got my cranberry.
And a cup of ice.
Matter of fact, hold on, roll it back around.
No.
I had to figure out throw it in. She said it was too late.
Delete that shit. Right now, he is intoxicated, inebriated off of 4 drinks, man. No high wine included. 4 drinks.
Roll it back around. Roll it back around. I am not intoxicated. I just want my rice pudding and cranberry juice. That's all I'm saying.
He drunk. I'm pretty sure right now he drunk. He is drunk.
I ain't drunk. You can see in my face I ain't drunk.
You can see
I had a tiger.
You can see the yellow in your eyes that you
I had a tiger, I ain't drunk. You know what I'm saying? Better show y'all this breakfast though. True Most Fitness.
Mind you, he's the only one actually getting breakfast because it's like, what time is it? Like 2 o'clock in the morning.
1:42.
It's 1:42 in the morning. He's the only one getting breakfast.
Turn it back around.
You gotta snap your neck.
Alright. Last time I checked, when it's 2 o'clock in the morning, we eat breakfast. Okay? No brainer. That's all I'm saying. Alright, True Most Fitness. I'm gonna show you all kind of muscle gains. Got some chicken breast and egg, a little bit of carb with the bread, and some hash browns, a little bit of bacteria to put the container of jelly on top of my food. But that's alright though. This helps to break it down in the stomach a little better. That's all.
Notice he's the only one that got breakfast. I got a cheesesteak.
Thank you.
With lettuce and tomatoes on it. It's a chicken cheesesteak. You got a chicken cheesesteak with lettuce on it. Yeah, we both got fries, but we probably not gonna finish it.
Yeah, so pretty much you see muscle gains, body gains, and muscle gains. And but it's still always pickled because you don't eat pickles, right? But it's still that thing.
I do, but they put that shit on the same plate like there's a couple, man. I don't like that shit.
There's no you and couples, man. Everything be like, oh man, couples, man.
I don't know. How you feeling? You good? How you feeling right now?
It's the day before the born date, man. How you feel, bro?
How you feeling?
Fine, man.
You feel fine?
I'm good.
You good?
My chest is dirty.
That don't sound like fine, my
That don't sound too good. Nah, cause when I was fucked up, you put me on camera and posted that shit. This shit get posted tonight. You almost fell over.